Only on Fox 11, a longtime U.S. resident is devastated after receiving a letter from Homeland Security.
She now fears her decades-old immigration case could lead to detention. Fox 11's Gina Silva is live in Pomona with the latest. Gina.
Well, this is a woman who's lived in the United States since she was 14 years old. She is married to a U.S. citizen. She has a child who was born here in the United States. But soon she could be detained and deported to El Salvador.
I was in shock. I was in shock because I did not expect it to receive a direct letter from ICE.
A letter from the Department of Homeland Security ordering her to appear in person next Tuesday has left this woman in tears and fearful of what her future may hold.
Not knowing. I think that's what it is, like the uncertainty of what they want and why they want to see me.
Maria, who asked us to protect her identity, has been a longtime U.S. resident from El Salvador. She has held temporary protected status, or TPS, since the 1980s. And her case, like thousands of others, has remained dormant for decades.
I don't have a criminal record. I have never had conflicts or any type of interaction with police.
A background check confirms what Maria told us. She has no criminal record. She's a graduate of UC Riverside and is scheduled to begin her master's program next month. Her employer, friends, and colleagues have all provided letters vouching for her good character. But she's worried none of that will matter.
I have done everything right. I have always conducted myself in a very exemplary way.
People are being called to report to ICE solely for the purpose of detention and deportation.
Immigration attorney Jose Osorio says Maria has reason to worry. Some of his clients with dormant cases going back decades received similar Homeland Security letters and ended up detained.
They're going after low-hanging fruit, all in the name of reaching their daily quotas.
After I reviewed the letter with my attorney, she confirmed that there is a high possibility that I will be detained the day of my appointment.
Part of the reason why Maria thinks that she will be detained is because the letter specifically states that she needs to bring her passport and her medications. So she's wondering, why do I have to bring my medications if I'm going to be allowed to go back home? And that's a good question. Alex, Christine?
So given this information, this perspective, is she preparing to be detained? I mean, organizing anything in the event that does happen?
She has an attorney. She really doesn't know what to do because the attorney has told her that there's a huge possibility she will be detained and will be detained until a judge will determine if she can stay or be sent back to her country. There really isn't a lot she can do. She could avoid, one of the other option is not going, but then there'll be a warrant out for her arrest.
Right. Puts these people in this really impossible situation. Gina Silva, thank you for that.